Hey everybody, today's non-training day tip is all about recovery. Remember that there's more ways of recovery than just nutrition, supplementation, and a good night's sleep. You can also support your recovery through techniques such as getting a massage, having a soak in a hot tub, a steam or a sauna, and all of these will also help relax you so you can perform better. Also, remember, if you can't afford regular massages, you can include self-massage techniques such as a foam roller, tennis or lacrosse balls. I also suggest stretching, and I absolutely love sauna, so if you can do some heat and hot and cold thermogenesis, that will really help.